S-N-E-E-Z-E. That's your name. S-N-E-E-Z-E.
Sneeze.
Welcome to the clubhouse, everybody. Whoa, that sounded like a really loud sneeze. I wonder who's sneezing.
Hi, Mickey.
Hi, Minnie. Was that you sneezing?
Oh, no, that was Goofy. He went camping and caught a cold.
Aw, poor Goof.
Oh, my goodness. Going, everybody.
Let's take this soup to Goofy.
Smells delicious. Uh-oh. Sounds like Goofy's cold is getting worse.
Do you see Goofy's tent? Yeah.
It is.
Skate, skate, skate. Skate, skate, skate.
We made it to Goofy's tent.
Hooray!
Hiya, Goof.
Hi, Goofy.
Sneeze, only your sneeze will have to. Goofy allowed to sneeze will have to. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.